हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। होप आप सब अच्छे हैं और अपना अच्छी तरीके से ख्याल भी रख रहे हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी एक सरप्राइज इन द सेंस एक्चुअली वो सरप्राइज मेरे लिए नहीं है, वो सरप्राइज मेरे हस्बैंड के लिए है। उनके ऑफिस से आया हुआ है। लाइक ही गॉट अ फेयरवेल गिफ्ट एक्चुअली। उनके ऑफिस से एक बहुत ह्यूज सा कुछ एक एक कार्टन आया हुआ है, सच अ ह्यूज बॉक्स। So let's see, I thought unbox it in front of you. So let's see what he has actually got it in this. Come, let's unbox it. So here is this. This is the gift. You can see this. So huge. Let's see what is it. Let's open it. Let's unbox it. मेरे लिए कभी इतना बड़ा गिफ्ट नहीं आया एक्चुअली। सो इतना बड़ा गिफ्ट आया, सो मैं सोचूं क्या है। सो नो एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी। It's a boAt soundbar. I think it's a system. Since over here only I can see. Wait नहीं होता ना। Sort of difficult one. Okay, so we have got this out of the box. It's a huge soundbar actually. It's a system. And इसके साथ मुझे आया है. Let's see what's there in this. What all extra things I've got. I mean, these are the important things of course. This is the aux cable. This is the manual how to operate. And this is the remote. You also have a remote for this. Very nice. And what's in this? We have an adapter. And these are the channels I believe to fix it on the wall. You can hang it also. The system also can be you can attach it on the wall itself. Okay, I'll also show this how we can connect this, how we can on it. So let's see. Just really thank them. Thank you so much. I really like the color. I believe those channels which I shown you, this channel is supposed to fix it over here, and you can you can also attach it on the wall. Okay, this is the adapter which is connected to that extension board, and this we need to connect it over here, behind. And there is an on button.
Red light. Okay. I mean, this is on now.
Okay. So once we fix this, it is on. Automatically, it is on. And then how can we connect this with all Bluetooth?
You can connect this soundbar to Bluetooth, to USB cable.
Okay.
And aux cable.
Aux cable. So that's what the cable which I showed you. This aux cable can also fix this. So first we need to pair this device on the whichever device you are using it through. So I'm using my mobile here. So I will be pairing this up first. The Bluetooth I have to on it, and then I will just pair this device, and then we can start on. Okay, I guess the Bluetooth is paired. The device is connected actually. Once the device is paired, then you can play whichever music you want. I think there is some button over here.
Volume button.
There's some
Power on, power off.
It's a power button and even volume button over here, this side. Yes. So we got to know, right, how to start the boAt soundbar. It's a very nice system. Thank you so much.